So guys, why do you need trading armors? Just look at these beautiful signals. So when see here we get white sell signal. I change the label from green to white to differentiate from these two. Like these produce, yeah, this one here trading armor TK produce green label and red label for sell. This one produce white and orange. So meaning is same. So orange line is means it's a bull trap. So price will go down with the next sell signal. Here green dot means it's a buy, and then we got the trap, price went down. And orange dot means sell, and then if you see blue line, that means it's a bear trap, price will go up. So wave changed the color, price went up. Easy. So orange dot again means sell signal, wave change. See, it produces the blue line. That means it's a trap. So price goes up again. Then we got bullish divergence here and bearish divergence here, and price went down because of the bearish divergence. And here price went up from the bullish divergence. So this tool is very, very powerful, very powerful tool if you know how to use correctly. So here it produces the green dot. Price went up nicely after the wave changed the color, and then orange like bull trap, price went down. Here blue line bear trap, price went up. Here is a bullish divergence, price went up. Easy. So here again the ribbon is all green, and here the top and bottom line, it means bulls are in control. So we ignore the sell signal, ignore the top orange sell signal and orange green dot sell signal, ignore. Keep focusing on these buy signals. These are more profitable, and this one is exception. Why this one is an exception? Because here it has divergence with the candles higher high divergence and lower low here on scalper. This one is useful. Here is divergence. Price went down. Now it's producing same the uh, you know the blue line. When blue line when you have this blue line, that means price will go up, but you have to wait. Sorry, you have to wait for the wave to change color. This scalper wave change color from red to green, and then you can enter long once again. So this one gave us approximately um, you know like 35% to 38% profit depending on where you entered. I mentioned this coin when price was here, then here 12%. So if you entered like since 2-3 days ago, then you could have like 65% profit with 5x. But if you enter late yesterday like me, then you could have made almost 40%. 40%. Yeah. Here actually it's more. I exited late. I woke up late. So I exited somewhere around 9197. So but I was up like 55%. So but I accepted only 40% profit. Easy to use, guys. So make sure you try this armor. This is very, very powerful. So produces long risk high again, then sell signal, long risk high, divergence, perfect setup for short. It is amazing, amazing tool. Look at this 1 hour. Amazing. See, Here you see the scalper so much overbought. Now coming down to cool off. So it could come down up to here, just like here. 85, same to our entry level. 1.85, it will come down here and then bounce off. Okay, so it will bounce off here from here. So it could have looked like this, and then come down like this, up like this, and here. You will see from here, you'll see one or two like test and then bounce. Sorry for my bad drawing. I'm not using the mouse. Something like this. This is very powerful tool. Any coin, BTC, Ethereum, any coin you can try. It's very, very, very accurate, guys. So these dots are just money shots. Like green dot, boom, price went up. Orange dot, price went down. Green dot, price went up and up. See here, price went up after this turn, green. Then bullish divergence, price went up. Orange dot, down. See, just amazing. You can switch time frames and you can find highly accurate signals. I'm sorry for here, okay. So you can find highly accurate signals. So this one just uh got started to pump. Okay, it will pump more. Trust me. Why I'm saying that? Because we have Adam and Eve pattern building up. See, like Eve is like U-shaped pattern right here. Here, see, you will see something like this. Okay. I just stretched to a bit. It will not be like this, but it will be quicker. I'm just not using mouse for my drawings, so I can use some other drawing tools. This one, free brush is not as good here. So you can use arc tool here, and you can use this one. This one, see, it's a perfect setup for Eve pattern. So here is Adam, very good, and you can use here the uh, let me use the V shape here, the triangular one for Adam here. Okay, perfect one. So here is Adam and Eve, and here you can expect the pump up to what price, guys? Just when you set up the buying position above this 2.4, 2.45, then you'll notice the huge pump. Let me take you to here, and then okay, hold on. Arrow, and then boom. See, the next target could be $3. See, and here we are sitting at only $2. So this is only 4 hours chart. Makes sense. See this one, Adam and Eve. And even if you don't use these chart patterns, if you don't know how to draw it, just you have armor, guys. So you have this orange sell signals, buy signals, orange bull trap, and blue bear trap. See, so in this zone it was just trapping people here. Bull trap, price went up. Orange line, bear trap, price went down. Orange line, bear trap again, price went down. Blue line, bull trap, orange line, price went down. Blue line, bear trap, price went up. Orange line, Bull trap, price went down. Blue line, bear trap, price went up. So this trap detection is amazing, and you can trade between this zone with the help of scalper here. When you get sell signal, you know it's a trap, but you know the target. Here is the resistance at the bottom here. You can exit here. You can trade these traps even on the smaller time frame. If you switch to smaller time frame like 1 hour, you can trade these traps perfectly. So here is a zone here. Let me mark this one, this one, and this one. See? So let's disable. See, you can trade these zones with the help of scalper. See, here it hit the support. You have a green dot buy signal. Buy. Hits the resistance. You have green. You have orange line. Sorry, orange dot. Sell signal short up to the next level. Here you have the blue. Sorry, green buy signal. Green dot. Scalper change the color. Buy again. See, it's keep going in at this level. And when ultimately we have this green dot, and then we have bullish divergence here, and then it breaks, and then we entered here last night. We entered here, and we made like 40%, right? 40% here up to the next level. It's keep going up. Now it's cooling off, and it will go near like it could come back here again to retest, and then eventually moving up. So we are not here to love any coin. We are just here to make money and forget about this coin. Okay. I'm just saying it has potential. It has potential to go near 23, sorry, 2.37. And how much is that? How much percent move is that if it hits here? So you are expecting 20%, okay, 25, 26. So you can expect 100 and 30% profit with 5x, and you can expect like 80-90% profit with the 3x in just very short time. Just wait for it to cool off and then boom up. So scalper is highly overbought, and I'm waiting for another here orange dot, and then it will crash, and then we'll buy once again, but with a small money. Like I made 40% last night, so I'll invest my 40% profit back into this, saving my initial principal. I will not use my own money. I'll just use my profit money for this one and still make like 130% with 5x. I recommend 3x to 2x for newbies. I don't recommend high leverage for new people. So scalper and complete this armor is it's great to make money, very profitable. Just keep switching the time frames, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, see, each time frame you switch, you get amazing accurate signals. Accurate. So guys, that's it for now. I'll talk to you later.